Hello, all of you. I am Professor Kakade Ramesh Machindra from Harsui Technical College, MBA department. So, today I will discuss next point. Subject name is Service Marketing, and same chapter name is Introduction to Service Marketing. So, today's point is Service Marketing Mix. That is most important process of service marketing mix in like product, price, place, promotion. So service marketing mix means in today's competitive environment, okay, organizations are trying their best to success and sustain in the market. They are busy innovating ways and means to increase the quality of the service, which will make them stand out from the crowd. Means many organizations consider employee as a part of service process. So employee are known as the face of the company. So and thus their satisfaction and efficiency will directly impact the quality of the service being offered in the market. It is important to control and maintain and good behavior of the employee, so that they can put their heart of soul into the service rendered. Means, so based on the above mentioned information, so together in developing in the traditional familiar marketing mix in the year 1981, and American together the developing the traditional familiar marketing mix in the year 1981. An American professor of marketing named McCarthy has developed the traditional marketing mix, however, booms and bitter at the extension of the same thus marketing mix. So, 4 P's including the marketing mix. 4 P's means product, price, place, promotion. So, marketing mix including the first point traditional marketing mix. What is meant by traditional marketing mix? Traditional marketing mix, that is the most important process in the marketing mix. So traditional marketing mix, one of the most basic concept in the marketing is the marketing mix elements by which organization control, satisfied or communicate with the customer. The traditional marketing mix compose the 4 P's. 4 P's means price, place and promotion and product. These elements are the core decision variable in any marketing plan. The nation of a mix implies that all the mix implies optimal mix for factors of the given marketing segment at given of the point in the time. So first one is a product. What is in the product? Product are the means by which firms seek to satisfy consumer need a product. In this the sense is anything which the firm offer to potential customer, whatever in the tangible or intangible. After most marketer talk about the intangible service as a product, thus bank account, insurance, policies, holidays refer to the product including the start of the politics, even the refer as a product to be the marketed. Product mix decision facing a service marketer can be very different from thus the dealing with the goods. Fundamentally pure service can only be defined use process description rather than tangible description of outcomes. Quality becomes a key element definitely product. Other element of the product mix such as the decision, reliable and brand image and product range and sound familiar to a good marketer. There is significant different with goods whatever new service development cannot be the protected by patience, that is product. So next point, price. What is my price? price mix decision include the strategic and tactical decision about the average level of price to be the charge discount structure, term of the payment and extent to the which price between different group of customer is to take place. So differences do however occur where the intangible nature of a service can mean that price in itself become a very significant dictate of the quality. The personal and non-transferable nature of mini service present additional opportunity for price within service marketer, while the fact the mini service are marketed by the public sector of the subtype no one price completely price setting, that is the price. So next one, promotion. What is my promotion? The traditional promotion mix include various method of the communicating the benefit of the service potential consumer. The mix has been the traditional coincidence of the advertising, sales promotion, personal selling and public relation. The promotion of the service often needs to place particular emphasis on the increasing the apparent tangible of a service also. In the case service, marketing production personnel can themselves become in important elements of the promotion mix. So next, place. What is in the place? Place refer to the easy of the access which potential customer have to a service. Place decision can involve the physical location, decision about the to use a making service accessible to the consumer and non-location decision which are used to make service available. For pure service, decision about how to physically move a good are the little strategic relevance. However, most service involve movement of the goods to some firm. They can either the material necessary to product a service of the service itself, its whole purpose, the movement of the goods. So, one place to another place, transportation including the place. So, next one is, next point, extended marketing mix. What is meant by extended marketing mix? That is most important point, extended marketing mix. Because service are usually produced and consumed, simulated customer are the often present in the service location. Interact directly with the firm personnel and are actually part of the service production process. That is, a service or intangible customer will often the looking for any tangible due to help them understand the nature to the service experience. That is extended marketing mix. So then, including the point, first one, people. What is meant by people? For most service, people are the actual elements of marketing mix. All the participants who play part of the service delivery influence the buyers participants, namely the firm personally, the consumer, others, customer, the service environment. That is the participant in the delivery of the provided to the customer recording the nature of the service itself. How does the people dress, their personal appearance and their attitude behavior all the influence customer perception of the service. That is including the part of the people. So next one is physical evidence. What is meant by physical evidence? Physical evidence means the intangible nature of the service mean that customer are the unable to the judge a service before the consume, increasing the risk in the purchase decision. That is an important elements of the marketing planning, the therefore the reduce this level of risk by offering tangible evidence of the nature of the service at itself in the description given the pictures and important elements of the service product, that is physical evidence. So it's some the case of the including the physical facility where the service is offered. For example, retail bank branch facility while telecommunication service. The physical facility may be the relevant in case of the repair tangible such as the billing statement and appearance of the car after repair may be the important indicators of the quality, that is the physical evidence. So next one is a process. What is in the process? That is including part of the process in the marketing mix. That is process is the actual process machines of the follow activities with the service delivery comparison the which delivery and operating system. The actual delivery step of customer experience or the operational flow of the service also provided customer with the evidence on which judge the service. Some service are very complex, require the customer follow the complicated and expected service of the action of the completely process. So extended marketing mix for the service. So summary as product. So product including the product range, features, quality level, branding, service line, after sales service. So next one place. So including the point, outlet location, channel, coverage, transportation, storage and managing channel. So next one is the promotion. So including point is advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, publicity and public relation. So next one is the price, flexibility, level, payment term, differentiation, discount, allowances, quality, public price. So next people. So people including point of the employee, retirement, training, motivation, reward, teamwork, behavior and customer contact. So next one is the physical evidence. Including point is the external, parking, environment, location, noise level, facility goods, clean, cool air, tangible documents, notice for due, statement and report. So next one is a process. So process including point is a policies, procedure, machine, employee description, customer involvement, customer direction, flow of activity. That is a process. So then customer. So customer is the education and training. That is most important point. And 7 P's is 7 P's means product, price, place, promotion, people, physical evidence and process. So measurement related is the quality, customer satisfaction, loyalty and profitability. Okay. So next point is need for additional 3 marketing mix elements in service. That is at first concept the old marketing mix was essential of the define the manufacturing sector. Thus, this concept suited well only this sector where the product is become the participatory different as the service in intangible product. Thus, the uses of place and product were the most 7 P's from the old marketing mix. Okay, next another reason was that there is the vast difference between service product and the physical goods. Means this difference is not allowing the old marketing concept and models with the match up with the changing needs for the service sector. Hence this is the created by need for the separate marketing model and concept with the also concerned service sector needs. So next one is The marketing managers of the service sector found it difficult to match up their needs with the old marketing mix. Means the basic characteristic of the physical goods and service goods did not match with the other at any level. This was creating employee problem in processing ahead with the concept of the service sector in terms of the marketing mix. Thus, the need of marketing managers give development of extent of the marketing mix to match up their needs. So, first chapter is Introduction to Service Marketing is over. So, next lecture, second chapter start. Okay. So, thank you so much.